Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
And we're back. Dun dun dun. I know you missed us.
I guess. It's a new month,
I mean,
new adventures.
you gotta get hype. You gotta get hype, right?
Yes.
Yes, definitely new adventures. And we are going to take another trip down the gin lane. I know. You're like, you guys have.
Down memory lane. All right, go ahead.
No, you good. I know you're like, okay, you guys have done gin before. We have. We love gin. Like, just gonna be real. But last month we took a class at Total Wine. Okay. And it was actually our first class that we took at Total Wine, and it was put on by a Hendricks representative, and it was super cool and gave us inspiration for this latest segment.
Very
and
informative.
we even got little tchotchkes. They gave us a little recipe book. We got a Hendricks spoon, and we got a little pin. A little pin. A pin. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, it was pretty cool. So, anyways, that is where our inspiration for
Came from.
yes. So without further ado,
Yes.
let's get into the first recipe.
Fair enough.
Okay, so this is which one is, girl?
Flora Adora.
The Flora Adora Bubble. I can't talk. Jesus. Flora Adora Bubble Bees.
Phenomenal.
Yes. And let's go through the ingredients and then we can get started.
Okay. Cool.
So this is starring Hendricks Flora Adora.
Isn't it seasonal?
It's seasonal.
Okay.
So what that means is it's around now, but it's not going to be around forever.
Makes sense.
And I don't think that they put it out. They make new ones to put out for the new seasons.
Yeah.
So you should try it
When you can.
when you can.
Okay.
We have some lime juice. Listen, we're doing for real fresh squoze lime juice, and I just want to tell you the sweat and tears that came for this little bit of lime juice. Okay, that little bit.
That's the hard work of labor right there.
Very stressful. We have some champagne. We have some vanilla extract.
Okay.
And we have some cucumber tongues, which we'll be using for garnish, as well as some floral decorations.
Yep.
Okay? All right. So let's get started. We have our shakers with ice.
Shakers with ice.
Oh, chow.
What do we start with?
Okay, so let's start with the Hendricks. Might as well. It's the star of the show. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this.
Good shit.
So that means it's gonna be good and strong.
Good and strong. Fair. I like that.
I do
I
too.
like that word.
Oh, I said half.
Oh. On the first.
Yeah, whoopsies.
1.5.
1.5. Yeah, and I'm already making a mess.
I don't play it with Hendrix. Or should I say Jenny?
Jenny.
Flora Adora must have been Jenny from the block.
Right, exactly. Okay.
What else?
3/4 ounce of lime juice, or in liquor math, hold a little up the top.
Okay.
And it looking like we got to have just enough for that. That's ghetto. I'm really upset about that. I'm not really
You ain't
upset.
even lying.
Wow, I was kind of joking, but damn.
Well,
damn.
there's that.
Okay. We're gonna do a bar spoon of vanilla extract.
Bar spoon. We're going to be baking today, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, yours is gonna be Rilla. It's gonna be really vanilla-y. And since the honey is by you, you might as well start with it. That's gonna be 3/4 ounce of the honey. Hold a little. Yeah, I know. Yeah. slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Move it slow motion for me.
Come on, man. All right.
Good job.
I tried. Literally, Lord.
And you can go ahead and use your bar spoon to get all of it out because we actually are going to stir first before we shake.
Okay.
Because of the honey. So you've seen in other segments where we'll be like, if we have to use honey, we're going to stir first to make sure it's incorporated and make sure it don't end up at the bottom, stuck at the bottom.
Okay.
I mean, if I can even get the honey out. I mean,
oh, it's all the way at the bottom now. It just like went straight to the bottom.
It's gonna sink like that, like the Titanic. Okay. You ain't lied. Oh my God. It is literally a clump. Okay.
So that means you gotta hurry up and put the thing on and shake it a while before it settles.
It's time to pour. We're gonna just hope that we got the elements of the honey in there because it was not. Oh. What the fuck? What was it?
The honey.
Oh.
It combusted within itself.
What?
Yeah, that didn't sound right.
It did not sound right at all.
That didn't sound right, but whatever.
Okay.
It's not the worst thing I've said.
No. We're gonna top off with some champagne. Okay, we got some speedsters down the street, and that cute. Get our little cucumber tongue. I mean, I feel like I probably didn't get any honey because it's like on my spoon. So, I don't know. These are like 3. You know, dress it up. If I had like bigger, don't get that part up in there. If I had like bigger flowers, I maybe only would do 1.
Yeah. There. All right.
Okay. Well, she's cute.
I mean, for what it is, it was a struggle to get here.
It was a struggle, but here we are. Okay.
I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad at it.
It's definitely florally.
Sorry, what? Do you want to just kick things off? You're already.
Yeah. So this is not bad at all. This is actually quite refreshing and pleasant. It does have those floral notes to it for sure. That's without the little floral flower in it. But overall, it has a nice sweet balance. And you can taste your gin. You can taste pretty much everything that you've done combined. So I'm going to give this a solid 10. So we're going to good start for my side.
Okay. And you know what? I just realized we did not actually try the Flora Adora. I think we tried whatever that purple one was. Do you remember? I don't remember what it's called.
I don't know what it is.
In any event, I remember a lady in line when we were waiting to go into the class, and she said that the Flora Adora was very floral.
Yep, and it is.
And it is. But it to me, I like this a lot because it's not giving me like I'm tasting perfume. Like, yeah, like I'm not drinking a bottle of perfume right now. Like I'm definitely getting floral elements, but it is not overpowering. So I'm gonna give this a 9.5. Just because it's the first one, you know, I'm trying to get room to grow. But I like this a lot. It is very refreshing, so I can see this either being a nice, like maybe at a cocktail party, or I mean, I suppose you could also have it for brunch if you just wanted to be different, right? It involves champagne.
With this is good for like a wedding party type thing, or like a bridal shower or something like that.
That's a good idea.
Or like a ladies theme type thing, whatever, garden theme. But it's definitely something worth trying for sure.
Yes, I enjoyed it. I was just seeing if they had any other notes in it. So we got this from Hendricks website. So not only are we using Hendricks product, but we're also using the recipes. And The 4 keywords or phrases that they use are floral sweetness, bright citrus, vegetarian, and easy. And it said, where would we be without bees? Shudder to think of a universe without the cucumbers whose flowers they pollinate. Here is a worthy tribute to these vital bumblers, a marvelously effervescent cocktail with the blooming aromas of Flora Adora and the sweetness of vanilla and honey. Should a bee land on its surface, we recommend sharing a sip.
Oh.
First of all, no. If
That's a whole lot of.
if the bee is near me, I'm gonna run. So that's probably not gonna happen. But I get what they're saying here. So needless to say, we both enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
This is. I will say that I do think the floralness of the Hendricks is a little bit of an acquired taste.
Yep. For sure.
I think if you already struggle to like gin, then the floral gin might be a bit much for you to start off with. Like maybe ease your way into it, but don't shy away from it. Again,
and they only make it every so often. So
yeah, what the representative in the class was telling us was that they are seasonal blends, and they change them up. So they make new seasonal blends like every year. Right. So these will, like, pretty much whatever their supply is, like, that's going to be the supply, and that's it. You won't be able to find it anywhere else. So I think you should try it. You know, be adventurous. Try it out.
Literally be adventurous.
Yes. But, like, you know, compared to some of the other adventures we had.
Let's not start. We're on a good streak right now.
I know.
For the holiday season. And so am I. So you see, I'm done.
Damn, last holiday season, you was toe up from the flow up, girl.
I'm done. We're only on our first one.
Ooh,
we got a long way to go.
Sis was speaking in tongues.
Listen,
If
I start sweating or talking about Mike Tyson,
woo
look
child,
cute,
woo
or
child.
say woo child, listen, I'm done. Take me home. Call me an Uber, something. Help. But for right now,
no, she good. She
I'm
good.
good.
This is just the first one. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell. Okay, you know what I'm saying? And you know, is this a recipe that you'll be willing to try? I think the answer should be yes. Don't be a biatch. Okay, try it out. Let us know what you think. And also, what are your other favorite gin cocktails? Does not have to be Hendricks. We're just using Hendricks for this series. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and drink this, and we'll be back.
see y'all.
Bye.